My skin has been an absolute desert lately, flaky, tight, just totally uncomfortable. I got tired of wasting money on stuff that dries up in 5 minutes, so I bought the top 5 hydrating face masks on the market to see which ones actually work. I tested everything from viral overnight hydrogels to classic sheet masks. If your skin is thirsty, you need to see what happened when I tried these out. Product number 1, Mediheal Best Korean Hyaluronate Watermide. Let's start with the Mediheal Watermide. When I pulled this out of the packet, the first thing I noticed was how incredibly silky the sheet felt. It's not that stiff, papery material you get with cheap brands, it actually hugs your face properly. It is absolutely soaked in essence, like dripping, which I love because it means it won't dry out halfway through. They use this Hyalu Active 3X blend, and I could definitely feel the difference. After keeping it on for about 15 minutes, my skin didn't just feel wet on the surface. It felt hydrated deep down. It's vegan and eco-friendly too, which is a nice bonus. If you need a quick, affordable moisture balm that doesn't irritate sensitive skin and leaves you looking fresh immediately, this is a solid everyday pick. Product number 2, ELF Skin Holy Hydration Sleeping Mask. Now, if you prefer creams over sheets, I tried the ELF Holy Hydration Sleeping Mask. This stuff is thick and creamy, totally different from the last one. I actually tested it 2 ways, once as a quick rinse-off mask and once leaving it on overnight. Honestly, sleeping in it is the way to go. It's got hyaluronic acid and peptides, and it feels like hitting a reset button for your face. I woke up and my skin wasn't tight or greasy, just super soft and plump. It's really soothing, especially if your face feels raw from cold weather. It also has ceramides to help build your moisture barrier back up. For the price, it's unbeatable if you want a no-fuss cream that does the heavy lifting while you snooze. Product number 3, Ebinol Bio Collagen Face Mask. Then I got into the fancy stuff with the Ebinol Bio Collagen Mask. This isn't a cotton sheet, it's a hydrogel, so it feels like a cool layer of jelly on your skin. The crazy part is watching it work. You put it on, and over a few hours, the mask actually turns transparent as your skin drinks up the ingredients. I wore this for about 3 hours while watching a movie, and the cooling effect was immediate. It's packed with 7 different peptides and collagen. When I finally peeled it off, my skin looked like glass, super tight and glowy. It takes more time than a regular mask, but if you have a big event coming up and need that instant, lifted look and serious hydration, you should grab this one. Product number 4, Biodance Bio Collagen Real Deep Mask. Sticking with the hydrogel trend, I tried the viral Biodance Bio Collagen Real Deep Mask. You've probably seen this all over social media. Like the previous one, it turns transparent, but I slept in this one to see if it lived up to the hype. I was worried it would slide off my pillow, but it stayed put surprisingly well. It uses oligohyaluronic acid, which is supposed to penetrate deeper than the regular stuff. The next morning, peeling this off was so satisfying. My pores actually looked smaller and the elasticity in my cheeks felt noticeably better. It brightens your tone a bit too thanks to the niacinamide. If you are dealing with large pores alongside your dryness, this is the overnight treatment you want to try. Product number 5, COSRX Snail Mucin Sheet Mask. Finally, I couldn't skip the COSRX Snail Mucin Sheet Mask. I know snail mucin sounds weird if you haven't tried it, but hear me out. When I opened this, it was slimy, there's no other word for it, but that's exactly what you want. It's got 35,000 ppm of mucin, which is way higher than most other masks out there. I put this on when my skin was acting up with some redness, and it calmed everything down instantly. It's not just hydrating, it actually feels like it's repairing your skin barrier. When I took it off, I had that signature glowing look. If you have acne scars or sensitive, damaged skin, don't be afraid of the texture. It works wonders for healing and hydration. So whether you want a quick sheet mask or an overnight miracle worker, one of these will fix that dry patchiness. I've dropped links to all 5 in the description so you can check the current prices and grab the one that fits your routine. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.